Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing? Today I'm going to be reviewing the all-new Nokia 7... Just kidding, it's a toy. The all-new Nokia 7.1 smartphone. In the past, I have reviewed the Nokia 7 Plus. I'll have it linked in the cards in case you want to check it out. But as I mentioned, today we are looking at the Nokia 7.1. It is a great mid-range phone for a really great price. And yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you why. And also stay until the end of the video because that is where I will show you something I kind of hate about this phone. But anyway, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, so first up, what's in the box? This is what you can expect when unboxing your own Nokia 7.1. They kept the packaging simple and I like that, nothing too complicated. So you of course get your charging brick, this one is 18 watts. Then you get a USB Type-C cable, a headset which is great but kind of feels a bit cheap unfortunately. A quick guide and product safety info pamphlets, a SIM card and SD card door key, and then of course the beautiful Nokia 7.1 all packaged in this box. Onto the look and feel of this device. Guys, I am so impressed with what Nokia did here. The look and feel is so premium. It's got a glass front and back with an aluminium frame. I will say with the glass back, it does pick up a lot of fingerprints, but a lot of us will have covers on our phone, so it really doesn't matter in my opinion. But you will be so surprised at how good this looks and feels in the hand. A huge thumbs up to Nokia for that. The display is just as nice. As you can see, it has a notch, but that doesn't bug me at all. Although this is an IPS LCD screen, Nokia have introduced something called Pure Display, and this basically allows SDR content to be converted to HDR content, so you can enjoy some quality video playback thanks to this. Guys, we all know that size matters. And the Nokia 7.1 comes in pretty good shape. It's a great sized phone and measures 7 centimeters wide by roughly 14.5 centimeters long. It weighs roughly 160 grams and is just under a centimeter thick. Just in case for size reference, here is the Galaxy S9 Plus and on the right hand side is the iPhone 6 Plus. Ooh, the cameras. So again, they've got the dual rear camera setup. And then on the front, we've got an 8 megapixel wide angled camera. There are a ton of different settings to choose from when it comes to the camera. You've got the panorama mode, you've got selfie mode, all that jazz. But I must admit, I was really impressed with the quality of this camera. I was not expecting it to be this good. So here are just some shots that I took with the phone itself. This is one with the depth perception. It's got that like live bokeh mode. Again, this one was taken with the bokeh mode. I also wanted to take some shots in low light and it performed way better than I expected, guys. Super impressed. They've also still got the bothie function, so you can film or take pictures using your front camera and your back camera at the same time. And this can stream live to Facebook and YouTube right from the camera app. And then finally for the camera, here is just some video of me. I wanted to show you guys what the video quality was like. I used my gimbal to stabilize the phone, just in case you're wondering how it's so stable. But yeah, also really impressed with the video quality, guys. If you find some or other operating systems really confusing, then you guys are going to love the Nokia 7.1 because it comes pre-installed with Android One. So the operating system is Android One, but it comes with Oreo on the device when you first get it. But as some of you may know, Pi is now available, which is awesome. And what that all basically means is that there is no bloatware or unwanted apps on this device. It's a lot more secure and you can do some really cool things like split screen apps. You get unlimited photo storage thanks to the Google Photo app. And overall, it is just so simple to operate this device. There's also stuff like Google Lens, which is actually in the camera app, and amongst many things, one thing you can do is take a picture of something and it will basically identify it for you. So the Nokia 7.1 has a 3060 milliamp hour battery, and when you compare that to other premium phones like the Samsung Galaxy S9, that's only got a 3000 milliamp hour battery, and the Apple iPhone X only has a 2716 milliamp hour battery. So this mid-range device still has a better battery than both those premium phones. It also supports fast charging, however does not have wireless charging, but I suppose for the price that's totally understandable. And it's got a USB-C type connection. So once again, for anyone who doesn't know, USB Type-C, you can plug it in either direction. It doesn't have to be in one specific way. Then for more features, we have the fingerprint reader on the back. It's super fast, and I like the positioning of it. They also kept the 3.5mm audio jack. Yay! This phone is unfortunately not water resistant, but it is splash resistant, so you can sweat on your phone, I suppose, and it'll be fine. You've also got the SIM card and SD card slot, and it can support up to 400 gigs of external storage. And finally guys, for what I kinda hate about this phone, the audio on this phone I would say is just seriously below average. It's got a very tinny sound to it, and amongst other mid-range phones, I think this still is below average. And if you're like me and you're a music lover, consider buying a Bluetooth speaker along with it, like this JBL Go 2. And then secondly, the mic placement. So when I film videos or maybe Instagram stories, I always hold my phone like this. But they've gone and placed the mic on the right-hand side of the phone, or the left, depending on which way you look at it. But my pinky blocks the mic every time. So when I'm recording videos or maybe Instagram stories, you get this popping or swishing sound because, like I said, my pinky is covering the mic. So I really don't like that. But if you take the price into consideration, the build and all the other amazing features you get on this phone, perhaps you can overlook that. Sound quality, mic placement, not that great. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out my Nokia 7 Plus review right over here. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles!